Izzy. A dog show announcer who's clearly sexually attracted to one of the breeds.
We see the Pomeranian glide across the floor. A jump. She nails it. Fantastic. And the German Shepherd slides down the stage like a dirty, dirty bitch. And she jumps, splaying her back leg out. Looks up at me? No, not here. We can't. You want to? I mean, everybody's seeing this. Okay, let's go.
It wouldn't be a dropout show if Izzy didn't almost get topless. Wow, I'm imagining a bunch of like children at home on Thanksgiving with their mouths agape.